Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well wherever you happen to be in the world right now. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I know I said in yesterday's videos that I would respond to your comments yesterday, but it's just been chaos here at the moment, so I would really try my best to respond to everyone tonight. Fingers crossed nothing goes wrong. Anyway, today what I'm going to be covering is an article I've just read regarding how to discover the next potential 1000X meme coins, which I imagine a lot of people are scratching around trying to do so themselves. I know I've been looking for something, and I think I've invested in a couple of dogs, a couple of decent ones, but I've not found anything that's going to explode and make me, 1,000%, 10,000% in a day, but we can keep looking. Before I get to the article, I'll start off by looking at the cryptocurrency market just to see how things are looking. We're down 1.85% over the last 24 hours. We've got a market cap of $1.12 trillion. I know it was 1.14 yesterday. 24-hour trading volume is at $28,000, which is pretty low in the crypto space. That's normally what you'd expect over the weekend. Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at 46.3%, trading below 27,000. It's gone down 2% today, so there's a lot of consolidation or a slight sell-off going on in the market, but nothing major. Like I've said in my previous videos, I don't believe we're going to see any massive gains until Q2 of 2024, so I'm using this time to accumulate. Throughout the rest of the top 10, it's much the same. BNB's down 1.5%. XRP still hovering around that 45 cent range. Cardano is presenting a buying opportunity. It's in my sort of buying range there, around 35-36 cents. And Solana, I don't know if I've mentioned in my videos before, that's down 5% over the last week, which represents an opportunity for me to get in. So if I can get another five Solana for $100, I'll probably do that tonight. So it's a project I believe in. So biggest rises of the last 24 hours, I wouldn't expect it to be much. No, SNX 3.76% is the biggest rise over the last 24 hours, which is nothing. As for the meme coins, which is what we're going into today, obviously Doge is still the biggest, down 2.5% today. Shiba Inu down 3.69%. It's currently sitting in 15th place. Doge is the only one in the top 10. Pepe, which was the big thing last week and the week before, that's down to 69th place. Floki, there was a lot of hype around that. What was the one that I bought the other day? I bought Milady. How's that looking? It's down 25%, so down 60% on the week. So I don't know, I'll have to have a look at the chart and see if there's an opportunity to get back in. But like I said, I bought a few dogs. Well, not Doge, but a few things that aren't going to do so well, and I've got involved in a few pre-sales, which is what this is really all about. I need to how we can find these things. So actually, let's look at Pepe's chart just before we get started, because this was the big thing. So you're looking at like May the 23rd, like there was a little bit of hype going around and it popped off, and I imagine a lot of people got in around this space and got burnt, and they'll be like, they'll never touch crypto again, because you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. But you can say that till you're blue in the face and people won't listen. This is on the 4-hourly chart. This looks fairly bearish. We're sitting on the we've sort of found support at this region here. I'm not going to count the zeros, but it's 0.00 something 14. Hovering around there. Should we break below that, then could be the end of Pepe. Who knows? Could react, but we're sitting below the 50, below the 100. 100 is above the 50, both sloping down. Not really any momentum to speak of on the MACD. You could say there's a slight divergence between this low here and this low here, but it's minuscule, so I wouldn't use that as a trading opportunity. I wouldn't really be trading meme coins anyway. I'd just be buying them and selling them. But anyway, if we move on to this article, I'll just go through it as quickly as I possibly can. I'll link it down below so you can read through it in your own time. It's on BSC News. Secrets to spotting the next 1000X meme coin. Spotting the next 1000X meme coin requires research, analysis and intuition, but only invest what you can afford to lose. Community strength and engagement are important indicators of a meme coin's potential for growth. Consider the utility and real-world application of the meme coin beyond its meme value. Understanding the tokenomics, supply mechanics and market timing to assess potential growth. Conduct thorough due diligence, research the team and security measures, and utilize price data analytic tools to navigate the meme coin space. So, in the vast and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, meme coins have gained significant attention in recent times. These digital tokens, often inspired by the internet memes and fueled by online communities, have the potential to generate astronomical returns for early investors, which we've seen in the past with SHIB. or what else? Pepe, Doge. Plenty of people have made a lot of money out of those coins, but hopefully they took profits. Anyway, spotting the next 1000X Memecoin may seem like searching for a needle in a haystack, but with careful analysis and a discerning eye, it's possible to identify promising projects. In this article, we will explore key factors to consider when attempting to spot the next Memecoin moonshot. Excuse me, water break. That is much better. Right, so firstly, community strength and engagement. The strength and engagement of a memecoins community are vital indicators of its potential for exponential growth. Look for projects with a vibrant, enthusiastic and dedicated community, actively participating in discussions and promoting the meme coins across social media platforms. For this, you can utilize Lunar Crush's social engagement feature. A strong community often fosters organic growth, driving adoption and attracting new investors. Pay attention to the size of the community, the quality of its interactions, and the level of developer involvement. So when you what's the right way to say this? When you're looking on pages like Twitter, like go to the project's Twitter page, see how many followers they got, see how often the developers are posting, see how many people are commenting on the post about, if they're getting involved in the pre-sale and whatnot. But where they talk about this Lunar Crush, it's quite a useful site. If you go here, go onto Lunar Crush, you can go to trending, for example, and say we just look at Pepe. So this is weekly. So if we go back here, you can see, the blue line is the social engagement line and the red line is the price line. It's not like a traditional chart like I just showed you with Pepe earlier, but you can see the community engagement, which will be the hype on your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever people look on for their, God knows why you'd look on TikTok, but I know some people do seek financial advice on TikTok, which is absolutely absurd in my opinion, but there's one born every minute. So you can see like social engagement peaked around here. So people are thinking about it, and then they've just jumped in. And as they've jumped in, social engagement has dropped, and along with price. And at the moment, it's sort of social engagement is consolidating along with price. So less people are talking about it. But there was a big build-up around this date here where people were talking, about this project. So they knew it was going to come. Not they knew it was going to come, but that's something to keep an eye out for. So you could type in any project you're interested in and do the same. I'll just do something that's trending. I don't want to type anything in this. ARPA appears to be trending at the moment. So how's the social engagement looking? It's going up exactly, pretty much in line with the price. Social engagement's peaked here exactly around where price has. So this could be quite a useful tool. So I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if you're aware of it before or if you used it before, but it's well worth getting involved in it. Anyway, moving along, if I can get rid of these annoying little videos that keep popping up. Utility and real-world application. While meme coins are often associated with humour and entertainment, it's essential to consider the utility and real-world application of the coin. Meme coins that can offer value beyond the meme itself tend to have a higher chance of long-term success. A typical example is Floki, which has established itself as a stable meme coin platform after offering unique features in its ecosystem. So a lot of these meme coins, they've got absolutely zero utility. They are just shit coins. But if you can find something that's got some sort of use case, then it's got more chance for success. Also, just to add to that, I would say only invest in something that you God, that bloody, there's this gardener that comes next door, and he always comes when I'm trying to make a video, and I've completely forgotten what I was going to say. I'll carry on with what I was reading. That hopefully it'll come back to me in a minute. He always comes when I'm either trying to put my son to sleep or when I'm trying to do a video. It's the most obnoxious tosser I've ever come across in my life. Sorry, I sound like an unpleasant person, but he is. He's a horrible man. Anyway, look for projects demonstrating clear use case, innovative technology, or potential partnerships with established entities. A meme coin with real purpose, such as supporting charitable causes or facilitating specific transactions, can attract wider adoption and sustain its growth. Tokenomics and supply mechanics. Understanding the tokenomics and supply mechanism of a meme coin is crucial for assessing its potential for exponential growth. Look for coins with limited supply or deflationary mechanisms that create scarcity and demand. That's the thing. If you look with some of these meme coins, there literally is like trillions of them, and that they can only go so far. That the market cap can only, not the market cap, the market cap can only go so high with the circulating supply. So you need to look for tokens that are actually burning, so that they will remain deflationary, and there's not something they can just keep minting and minting and minting. Well, was I? Meme coins with locked liquidity or distribution mechanisms incentivizing long-term holding can also contribute to price appreciation. Additionally, consider the distribution of tokens to avoid potential manipulation by whales and ensure a more decentralized ownership structure. Endeavor to monitor the meme coin's contract address to understand the token distribution and liquidity. See, some of these pre-sales I've got in recently, they're not even on the market yet, but supposedly, if they're telling the truth, only 5% are being held back for the team and whatnot, and for the developers. You want as much going out in the pre-sale as possible to the general public, and not to like these big whales who can just dump straight on the market, because that can be problematic. Market timing and momentum. Identifying market trends and timing your entry into a meme coin project can significantly impact your chances of success. Keep a close eye on the broader cryptocurrency market and monitor the sentiment towards meme coins, which is what we did earlier. We looked at the meme coin market and we can see it's down today. So sentiment is not great at the moment, but I still think people are looking for, excuse me, another water break, are looking for the right meme coin to invest in, because it is sort of meme coin season. Look for coins gaining momentum, attracting attention, and exhibiting upward price movements. However, exercise caution to avoid FOMO and make informed decisions based on thorough research rather than emotional impulses. You can tell people that as much as you like, but people would rather buy Bitcoin at $60,000 than at $20,000. It's been proven time and time again. When a project's at its all-time high, and you've got, I don't know, your gardener or your mechanic saying, "Oh, you invested in that Bitcoin?" Then you know it's like the market's probably peaking. That's about how I gauge sentiment anyway. And when you get people like Paris Hilton talking about crypto on Twitter, then you know things are about to come crashing down, because they're always very, very late to the party. Assess the security measures implemented, including audits to ensure the safety of your investments. Utilise reliable sources, community discussions, and expert opinions to gather as much information as possible before making investment decisions. Now, you can use Reddit, you can use Discord. Don't trust everything that people are saying on there, because there will be people shilling things. Security measures and audits. Now, some audits don't really mean anything. I've been involved in projects that have been thoroughly audited, but they've dumped on me. I was involved in yield nodes. I don't know if you're aware of that. That was audited up to the bollocks, but you know, I've got £10,000 stuck in there that I can't get to. They're saying they're going to do something to sort it out, but yeah, audits only count for so much, because it's still fairly an unregulated industry. Bonus tip: utilising price data analytic tools and platforms. One of the biggest tips to discovering the next moonshot in the meme coin space is utilising price data analytics platforms like Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and CoinMarketCap, etc. These platforms are designed to provide users with the tools needed to navigate the blockchain space. The tools, which comprise data analytics, insights, and unique functions, help users track and monitor assets across different decentralised networks, including BNB Chain and Ethereum. BSC News recommends using Dex Tools as one of the best platforms to discover top meme coins before they go viral in the industry. While the platform is helpful, it is also essential to exercise caution, because the number of scam projects surfacing the Web3 space. In fact, 90% of the projects on the platform and other aggregators are scams. Really bear that in mind. 90% of these projects are scams, so you've really got to be careful. When you put money in these projects, you've got to accept the chances are it's gone. But there is also a chance, there's a 10% chance that you are going to, get massive gains. So, like they say, only invest what you can afford to lose. I wouldn't be throwing thousands and thousands of pounds or dollars at these projects, $500 maybe, $100 here, $100 there. Just take calculated risks. Like I said, none of this financial advice. To avoid scams on the platform, it's best to take note of the following metrics. I think these are all quite important. The number of holders. Project must have at least 100 holders. Liquidity pools lower than 20 Ethereum will likely be scams. Now that's obvious, so I would that's gospel. If there's less than 20 Ethereum in there, the chances are it's a scam, and they just want more of your Ethereum to go into their wallets. Dex score. A score greater than 80 is best for investment, although there is still a risk upon investment. Website and Twitter. Check for the project's social pages, including website and Twitter. Now, I was looking at that Milady project not long ago, and to be honest, I did say at the time the website is absolute dog shit. It's awful. But in a way, it's sort of quite retro, and I don't know. It's just, I'm looking at it now, and it's like my son could make a website better than this. But people bought it. People bought into it. I bought into it. I'm down on it now, obviously, but yeah, always have a good look at the website and look at the tokenomics. Conclusion: spotting the next 1000X meme coin requires a combination of research, analytics, and intuition. While there are no foolproof methods to guarantee success, paying attention to factors such as community strength, utility, tokenomics, market timing, and conducting thorough due diligence can significantly increase your chances. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins, carries inherent risks, and it is crucial to allocate only what you can afford to lose. Stay informed, remain vigilant, and embrace a long-term investment mindset to navigate the dynamic world of meme coins successfully. So yeah, be very, very careful, and I can't stress this enough. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And some of these rules they put on this page, I think it's a fairly well put together article. I've got who wrote it? I need to find out who's done it. Utula Hope, a passionate fan of crypto who would weave the latest events and spark inspiration and information. He leaves no stone unturned to get to the core of a story. Aside from writing, he spends hours poring over algorithms and protocols, preparing for a future career as a computer programmer. He hodls mostly Ethereum, BNB and AVAX, but he seems to have provided some fairly solid advice there. This is DEX tools, so you can see what's trending, like daily gainers wise. This is not like BTC USD, it's against wrapped Ethereum and whatnot, and just the different pairs that can trade in. You get the scores there. What's this one here? Midwit wrapped Ethereum. So it's got a DEX score of nearly 80 out of 99. So I'll link this website down below as well, so you can use that for your own research at some point. I'll also link the article down below and Lunar Crush down below, so you can utilize those if you want to do some research in meme coins. And I wish you all the best in finding something that could potentially be life-changing or wife-changing, depending on what you're after at this current moment. So I'm going to wrap it up for there. I wish you all the best for your investments. I wish you all a wonderful afternoon, evening or morning, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I try to make a video every day, but things have been a bit manic in my life at the moment. I won't go into that now because that's for another video. But anyway, I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.